Yeah, I'm fine, Mom. Oh, what a nice day outside, Toto. This is. Oh no, a tornado! Toto, I don't think we're in Kansas anymore. I want to go home. Whoa, who are you?
Hey dude, I'm a scarecrow and I need to talk to you about something very important. I need to talk to you about that cactus right over there.
Why? I want to go home. I don't want to hear about a cactus.
Well, since you're here in the desert, you gotta learn about some biology. So anyway, that right there, that's known as a saguaro cactus, and it's what you might call a keystone species, which is a species that has a very large effect on its environment. They help to define the entire ecosystem because of how important they are. So anyway, the saguaro cactus is a keystone species because it provides for the other organisms in the desert. For instance, they offer nesting surfaces for birds because the shape of their branches are perfect for nesting. Also, the fruit from the cactus tree serves as the bird's primary source of food.
I want to go home. Another person? Are you going to talk to me about a cactus too?
Hi, I'm the Tin Man. With all my free time in the land of Oz, I actually earned a PhD in biology, so I can tell you a few things. Here on the ocean floor, we have the giant isopod, which can grow up to 2 feet in length. This is an ectotherm, and since its bulky size means it has a small surface area to volume ratio, it loses less heat to the ocean water.
I want to go home.
Hey, it's me again, the Scarecrow. Now that we're in this new environment, I need to talk to you about tardigrades. So, tardigrades are some of the smallest animals on Earth and are known to be able to survive in various extreme environments, such as temperatures as low as negative 200 degrees Celsius. They are able to do this by entering a cryptobiotic state, which they were able to develop by adapting to the environmental stress from these temperatures. When in this state, all metabolic procedures stop, preventing development, reproduction.
Hi, I'm back with some more information for you. You see those birds over there? Those are African oxpeckers, and they feed off of other animals' ticks like zebras or rhinos. This is a mutualistic symbiotic relationship because the host gets cleaned and the bird gets food. However, this is unexpected because the oxpeckers are actually parasites too, so sometimes they will rip the host's skin open with their beak and drink their blood.
Right, now that we're in the deep sea, we gotta talk about a new species called mormyrids. So mormyrids are an intelligent species of freshwater fish native to Africa. These fish have the ability to communicate to one another by using electric charges from their tails. They have these sensory receptors in their skin called myelin organs that detect signals from other fish and allow them to communicate. With these electric signals, they can communicate behavioral information, such as aggression, submission, or when it's...
Here we have the lionfish. The lionfish is a severe invasive species that was introduced to the US in the 1980s. They eat a lot and reach sexual maturity in less than a year, and also, a fully grown can produce 30,000 eggs every 1 to 4 days. This makes them very problematic and they multiply super quickly.
The reddish color in this water is actually due to a super innovative autotroph known as iron bacteria. You see, iron bacteria naturally occurs in bodies of water and appears when oxygen, water, and iron combine. This rust-colored water is most evident when iron leaches from soil following heavy rains, causing the iron to build up in the water.
Here we have the sloth. Sloths have a leaf diet that is extremely low in calories, which is fine because the warm environment of the tropical rainforest means that not much warmth is needed to keep their muscles warm. Sloths are also at an extremely low risk of predators, so the slow movement is fine, and their metabolism is much lower than other animals of the same size.
Here in the savannah, you may notice that many of these African elephants are tuskless due to the excessive hunting of elephants with ivory tusks. As a result of this human poaching, elephants that didn't grow tusks had a biological advantage, allowing them to survive and reproduce. Ever since 1992, nearly a third of younger female elephants have never developed tusks, confirming the severe long-term effect that human poaching has made on these populations, and even indicating one of the most dramatic selective pressure events in recent African history.
Wait, I know where we are this time, Toto. Those are African lions over there. You know, the World Wildlife Fund has done some of the most incredible conservation projects for these lions. It's also worked everywhere else around the world for the past 60 years, protecting endangered species, preserving habitats, fighting against climate change, and even working to create sustainable food sources. Whoa, I must have gotten knocked out. That was a really weird educational journey.